Hello everyone, I am K.C. Reddy from RMD Engineering College. This video is guided by Prabhu sir. I have done the mini project on the topic Bluetooth controlled robotic car using Arduino Uno. It is controlled by the mobile application in Bluetooth using the HC05 Bluetooth module. Let us see the connection and the demo of.
Let's first see what are the components are required to do this project. The components are robotic chess, Arduino Uno, DC motors and rechargeable battery containing 3.7 volt and 4300 megahertz and motor drive and Bluetooth module and few jumper wires. Okay, now we can start the projects. I am moving aside to all the things. First of all, we need to fix the DC motor in the board. Now I have fixed the DC motors in the board. Let us keep it aside. Now let us connect the Bluetooth, Arduino Uno and motor drive as per the circuit diagram. Now let us keep the motor drive as a side. First we can see the connection between the Arduino Uno and Bluetooth module. Take the jumper wires and pin to the Bluetooth module. Now take the first wire and pin it to the 5V and take the second wire and pin it to the ground and the third wire to 0 and fourth wire to pin number 1. This is the connection for the Bluetooth and Arduino Uno. Now take your motor drive and take few jumper wires and pin it to the pins which are there. Now I have inserted the pin. Let us connect this motor drive to the Arduino Uno. Now let us pin the first pin to the pin number and insert the first pin in pin number 10 and second one in 11 and the third one in 12 and the fourth one in 13. And this was the connection between the Bluetooth module, Arduino Uno and motor drive. Now take the battery holder and insert the batteries, rechargeable batteries, and the negative pin of the battery should be grounded in the both in Arduino Uno and motor drive. And first pin the pin in the ground and another wire of the negative wire should be inserted in the motor drive. Let us remove the battery, later we can insert it. The positive wire should be inserted in 12 volt in this. And take another wire from 5 volt and pin it to the Arduino Uno Pin. I had inserted a wire in a 5 volt and pinning this pin to Pin. Now keep the Arduino Uno Bluetooth module and battery holder aside. We need to connect the DC motor to the motor drive. Now take the chassis board which you have fixed the 4 DC motors and the 4 connections should be inserted in a motor drive in the 4 pins. First one, second one, third one and fourth one. Now I have connected the DC motor to the motor drive, and this was the connection for the Bluetooth RC controller, and upload the code to the Arduino Uno. After uploading the program to the Arduino Uno, let us fix the wheels to the motors. Now I have fixed the wheels to the motors. Now let us close the top of this and keep all the equipments on the board. Now keep your project as a side. Now take another mobile and open Play Store and type Arduino Bluetooth controller and click it and install it. Now our app had been installed. Let us connect it to the Bluetooth. After inserting the battery, the Bluetooth will start on. Let us on the Bluetooth in our mobile and open our app in the mobile. And our project device is connected to the mobile. Let us test drive it.